So you want to know that what exactly is marketing. You want to find out that how can you explain marketing in one simple statement. Now the thing is, if you go on and speak to any CMO or a practitioner or even a student and try to ask him or her the same thing, the fact is that you'll never find the same statement being repeated twice. So in this video, my attempt is to help you. You could be a practitioner, you could be an MBA student, you could be any other student. My objective in this video is to help you define the term marketing, and I am sure that by the end of this you will have one short, crisp statement for you to explain to everyone else that what exactly is this subject all about. Hi, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and let's get on with the video. So now, as you know that I have done my MBA, and all the MBA students out there would know that when you are in your B school, the one marketing book which every MBA student reads is got to be the book by Professor Kotler and Keller and Professor Kotler, and this exactly is that book. Now in this book, what you'll see is that you'll observe that this book has finally been able to give a one-line statement explaining that what exactly is marketing all about. In fact, one of the reasons why this book is a very well-loved book is the fact that it has finally given words to a lot of abstractions which were not earlier having any specific words and were only working on the hunch of a few good marketers. This book has finally been able to give definitions and words to a lot of such theories. So if I go by the definition which is given in this book, the definition which they have explained is this: that marketing is about identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer needs profitably. Now this is that one line statement which I personally feel encapsulates the meaning of this subject, the meaning of this work really well. Now it is very important for us to really identify and understand that what exactly do each of the words in this statement actually mean. And therefore what I have for you is that I have highlighted 4 key words in this entire statement which are very important for you, and these are the 4 words which actually encapsulate the entire meaning. And for you as a student of marketing, for you as a practitioner, these are the 4 words which you need to really imbibe. These are the 4 words which you need to swear by. And now I'll be explaining you that what exactly are these 4 words and what do they actually mean. What do each of these 4 words actually mean? So I would start in the reverse order. I would start with the last word. I would first explain to you that what is the meaning of profitably. Now the thing is, you can go and do sales. You can sell a lot of the things which you are trying to sell, but if you're not able to sell those things for a profit, if at the end of the day you are not profitable, then you and your organization would not stay there for long. Therefore, one of the basic needs, one of the basic things which you need to ensure as a marketer is that you need to carry out the entire marketing activity profitably. Now again, is it profitably only for you as a firm, or is there something else to it as well? Now if suppose you sell your product to another firm, and if your product is so expensive that by using your product that firm is not able to be profitable, then that firm will stop buying from you. Hence, what you need to understand about this word profitably is that the entire marketing exercise needs to be profitable for all the stakeholders involved. Therefore, for you as a marketer, this is an activity that how can you carry out the process of conceptualization to product development to marketing, sales and after sales. How do you carry out this entire marketing chain of activities in a manner that it is profitable not only for you but for other stakeholders as well. From there, let's jump on to the second word, which is satisfying. And now I'll explain to you that what exactly does satisfying mean over here. Now it is very simple to understand that whatever product or service or offering which you have created, it needs to satisfy a given need, a given want of the customer. Now what exactly is a need, what exactly is a want, I will be explaining all of this in another video of mine. However, you can right now understand it in the simplest way, that each of us as a customer have some need or a want, and you as a marketer, your objective is to satisfy that need with the product, with the service. Now at times, some of the marketers, some of the smart marketers are also able to create a want. Now if you are able to create a want, even then your objective as a marketer is to satisfy the want which you have created. So here I will ask you one simple question, and I would really like if you could answer it in the comments, that as per you, the product iPhone, as per you, has that want been created, or was that want for the iPhone always there? And if you think that it has been created, then what exactly was that want? How would you explain that want in words? And if you think that it was already there, that it was a need, then you should explain that, and for sure I will give you the answer in the comments after the video. Moving on from there, let's check out the third word which is there. Now while the third word is anticipating, I would first like to explain you about identifying. And it is very important for you to first understand identifying for you to actually understand anticipating. So what exactly does identifying means? Identifying means that you as a marketer need to be here and now, and your ears and eyes need to be open for you to be able to observe the things which the audience is saying or which the audience is doing. And from that you would be able to hear a lot of things about what they want. So this is one very crucial quality for you to become a marketer, that you need to have your eyes and ears always open, and you need to be able to constantly gauge that what exactly is the want which the audience has. These are the things which the audience is saying, but you only need to do the job of hearing it out and converting it into a product, into a service, into a feature. That is the thing about identifying. So identifying becomes a very important quality, because if your customers are saying something and if you're not able to identify it, and if you're not able to productize it, then your entire marketing exercise will not hold up for long. So that is why identifying is a very important exercise. And now I will explain to you the fourth word, which is anticipating. And anticipating is the most interesting part of this, because anticipating is what sets you apart from every other marketer out there. If you understand anticipating, and if you can get good at this game of anticipating, then that is where you will be differentiated from any other marketer out there. Now what exactly is anticipating? Anticipating is the ability to see and hear the things which your audience is not even saying right now. In fact, anticipating is the ability to understand patterns which might unfold, which will unfold in the future and aren't even there right now. So if you are able to understand that how will the market unfold, how will the consumer needs unfold, then you would always be 2 steps ahead from everyone else. And that would be the key which would really make you the most promising marketer out there. A very small example of this is that, for example, I created a video just last week on what is the future of MBA. Now, if you go and look at that video, you will realize that whatever I have said, it is futuristic. It is something which will happen 5 years from now, 10 years from now in the MBA space in India. And that for me was my exercise of anticipating that what will happen in my market, which is the MBA market, so that I can adapt my content and my products, my courses in a way that it can really help my market, my audience for a very long term. So do go and watch that, because from that you'll actually understand that how does anticipation work and what exactly is the thought process which you need to involve while doing this activity of anticipation. So from there, I hope you've understood that what exactly is the entire statement, that what exactly is the meaning of marketing. And now when somebody asks you that what exactly is this subject all about, all you have got to do is you've got to simply say that marketing is identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer needs profitably. That is the entire essence of the entire activities which you do in marketing. Now I hope you liked this video a lot. If you did, please go and hit the like button and do go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can get notifications for the future videos as well. I will see you in another video of mine wherein I will share with you another interesting topic on marketing or about MBAs. Thanks a lot.